In 2014, Ronald Read passed away. For decades, he pumped gas and swept floors in his local town. He left behind almost $8 million. He never traded stocks on Wall Street. He just quietly lived his life and left millions to his local hospital and library. A paycheck size is a poor predictor of wealth. Take Gerald, a teacher making $46,000 and a vice principal making $88,000. The vice principal carries a mortgage and car payments, saving nothing. Gerald packs his lunch, investing 22% of his pay. Wealth resides in the gap, the mathematical space between what you earn and spend multiplied by time. While the math is simple, Ronald Read is a rare anomaly. Our brains evolved for immediate survival, poorly equipped for the mechanics of modern investing. The first blind spot involves our perception of time. Humans process the world linearly, making the exponential curve of compound interest feel broken. For the first 20 years, it appears as if your money is standing still. This chart shows the growth of a $250 monthly investment. At an 8% average return starting at age 25, the balance hits $777,000 by age 65. If you wait until age 35 to start the exact same strategy, that final number drops to just $339,000. Waiting 10 years costs you over half of your potential wealth. That is $438,000 lost to the calendar. In the mechanics of wealth, time performs the heavy lifting, often contributing more to the final balance than the original deposits. The second cognitive blind spot is invisible friction. Even Ronald Read made a costly mistake here. By keeping his stocks in standard taxable accounts, he allowed tax drag to quietly leak his returns over several decades. If he had used a Roth IRA, an account that shields your money from taxes, his $8 million would likely have grown to between $12 and $15 million. The third blind spot is our survival instinct. When a crisis hits, human emotion demands immediate action to stop the perceived pain. Losing a job during a market crash forces people to sell investments to survive. Liquidating while prices are down permanently locks in those financial losses. A 2023 Vanguard study found that the best performing accounts belonged to people who had forgotten their passwords or who had died. Because they couldn't access their accounts, they were physically unable to panic sell. This is the practical role of multiple income streams. Dividends, high-yield savings, and side gigs function as financial shock absorbers, providing the cash flow necessary to survive a crisis without touching your long-term stocks. Success depends on protecting your investments from your own human emotions. Investing is inherently invisible. If you buy a new car, your neighbors notice. If you max out your retirement account, there is no social signal, which deprives the brain of dopamine. To maintain the habit, you must change your psychological framing. Stop viewing investing as saving money and start viewing it as purchasing income. When you put $5,000 into a dividend fund, you are buying a product that will pay you $150 to $200 of passive cash every year for the rest of your life. This shift changes your identity from someone who is saving to a quiet landlord of corporate earnings. Because human emotion is the enemy of wealth, the solution is to remove the human element through a 3-step automated framework. Level 1 establishes the foundation. Maximize your employer's 401k match, open your Roth IRA, and place 3 to 5 months of living expenses into a high-yield savings account. Level 2 focuses on automation. Set up automatic transfers so your capital moves into the market before you have a chance to make an emotional decision about it. Level 3 provides the fuel. Build one extra stream of income outside your day job and funnel at least half of it directly into this automated system. Lazy, boring investing builds greater fortunes than flashy trends. Lasting wealth relies on the discipline of setting a quiet system in motion and refusing to get in its way.